Welcome to Easy Way Yoga channel. I am Neha Jain, a certified yoga trainer. We are here to do yoga practice that will help you release all the stress, anxiety, and any kind of tension out of your body and out of your mind. Whether you had a bad day or a feeling of stiffness in your body, this basic yoga will release all the stiffness and bring back the peace and grounding. So, if you are ready to get started, grab your mat and let's begin. Let's start with gentle neck exercise. Inhale, neck back, and exhale, your neck down. Again, inhale, back, and exhale, down. Inhale, look front. Exhale to your right side. Exhale to your left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head to your right shoulder. Inhale and exhale, drop your head to your left shoulder. Relax, gentle rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. This will release all the tension in your neck and your upper back. Gentle hand stretch. Rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise to release all the tension from your wrist. Inhale, open your hands wide, left palm down, right hand up straight, your spine straight, open your chest, exhale and release. Right hand down, left hand up and stretch your body. Stretch your arms up. Inhale and exhale, relax. Open your legs straight, just shake it. Your spine straight. Ankle rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. This will release all the stiffness from your ankle. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Look up, extend your arms as much as you can and exhale, grab your big toe. Try to touch your head to knee. This is Paschimottanasana. This improves digestion, relieves discomfort and soothes your mind and reduces stress. Inhale, come all the way up and exhale, relax your arms. Inhale, bend your right knee in upward direction. Place your foot next to your left leg. Exhale, place the left elbow outside the right knee and twist your upper body back. Deep inhale and exhale. Repeat the same with other leg. This is Vakrasana, simple twisting pose. This will solve all your stomach related problems. Stretch your hips and spine. Relax. Bend both your knees, spine straight and lift your hips up. This is reverse table pose. Strengthens your back, strengthen your hips, arms and shoulders. Stay calm and hug your knees. Relax. We'll do butterfly pose. Baddha Konasana. In this, swing your knees up and down. Push your knees down as much as you can and try to touch your head to the ground. Do not force yourself. Fold your legs and sit in Vajrasana. Inhale, widen your arms and just interlock your fingers and stretch back. Open up your shoulders. Exhale, bend down. Try to open your shoulder blades maximum. Inhale, again come up. Stretch your hands downward. Open your chest and open your shoulder. Exhale, again bend down. Keep stretching your hands upward. Deep inhale and exhale, come up. Deep inhale and exhale, bend down. Feel the stretch on your arms and relax. Release all the tension from your hands. Relax. We'll do shoulder rotation clockwise and anti-clockwise. Inhale and exhale. Relax your shoulder and your neck. Cat and cow pose. Come in table pose. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Round your spine. Chin to chest. Again, inhale, look up. Exhale, chin to chest, round your spine. Suck your belly in. Inhale, look up. And exhale, down. Feel the stretch on your spine, on your neck, on your shoulders. Be full aware. Inhale, come up. Relax. We'll do camel pose. This is very powerful asana for your stomach and for your back pain. Place your hands on your back near your hips and just bend back maximum as you can. Remember, knee and hip align. Continue breathing, do not hold your breath. Exhale, come up. Repeat this asana for 2 times. Inhale and exhale, relax. Child's pose. Just let go of all the worries, tension. Thank you so much for joining with me today. I hope you love it. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.